Hello, I will share with you how to compare two files in VS Code. For this purpose, we first need to work in the same workspace with the files we want to compare to each other. So if you have any workspace or folders open, you can use this close folders, close editor. And if you have workspaces here, you have the workspace, close workspace option as well. So here I will add a folder to the workspace. First, let's find my folders. Yeah, that's the project I'm working on. This is the pretty goodies, okay? This project is diverted from a master project from a course content on Udemy. I want to compare my project codes with the original ones, with the master one. So I will add the master folder here as well. Add folder. And this is the master one. I developed this pretty goodies page based on the expanding cards project here. Yep. And yeah, that's basically it. So the files I want to compare are CSS file of the folders projects. So this one is open, right? Now I want to compare this file with the one I want to compare with. I will share. Okay, you have different options here. Since I typed it before, I have this in the history. Don't confuse. Do not use the saved and clipboard one. Pick the compare active file with. Okay, now you type which one do you want to compare with. Since you are in the Perdiguri CSS style, you want to pick the expanding cards CSS style. They have the same names that might cause to confusion. So this is the files being compared. I had problems with the transitions. I can see I'm at the some import URLs here, but the problem was about the transitions. I know that. See here, I have this settings for the transitions, but the original file has the WebKit transition things. I also have some extra elements. That's why we see so many things. But the problem I'm having with is the panels transition. So I can see the comparison here. Yeah, that's easy.